It's forgotten for a reason, man.
Yeah, I don't know.
No, just make it the right any number, like I just did. I did like something like that already.
Oh, did you?
7, 3. Oh. Patient me, if I wasn't streaming and didn't feel like going through things, I literally will try every single combination. Imagine it's 1 1 2. Not. Sorry. Guess again.
And what is that door? The door to?
This door, that's the door I came through. And then that's the hole.
Yeah, and what's the lock?
What lock?
One you just...
This is, I don't know where this goes to. It just says combination locks. It leads me to another part of the M room, which is 202. I mean, there has to be something with these because, like, you know, they're there. And then... So there's 3 codes, but there's 4 things here, you know? Or we can go into the next room. Try and go ahead wouldn't last 1 day in the city? Nah. Nah. Pyramid Dude would get rocked in New York, okay? He would get rocked trying to come near me like that. I'm like looking around, making sure nothing's gonna try to like get me. There's a side effect? What kind of side effect, Vendetta? Okay, what's this? It has to be something with these things. I just don't... No, it's not occurring to me.
Well, that one has a skull on it.
Well, one of them had a skull and like, instead of one half wing, like you see the thing on the right, it was like on the left as well. Hey, look, we got this one, right? This one just has a circle, this one has a skull, and that one has a moon. That's something.